Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for ProShares UltraPro QQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, June 24, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell ProShares UltraPro QQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since June 24, 2022, our system ranks the ProShares UltraPro QQQ stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.014. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for ProShares UltraPro QQQ, our last headline reads, strong day for ProShares UltraPro QQQ stock price on Friday, rising 10.46% to $27.98. The ProShares UltraPro QQQ stock price gained 10.46% on the last trading day, Friday, June 24, 2022, rising from $25.33 to $27.98, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 7.64% from a day low at $26.05 to a day high of $28.04. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -6.7% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -31 million shares, and in total, 151 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.24 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $183.36, and the lowest price was $21.32. Right now the price is 84.74%, or $155.38, below 52-week high, and 85.99%, or $171.79, below all-time high January 20, 2021, where the price hit $199.77. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $28.58 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -56.09% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -66.74% and -51.58%. The 12-month trend indicates a -61.02% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -97.72% and 31.88%. This equals a price between 64 cents and $36.90 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for ProShares UltraPro QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The ProShares UltraPro QQQ stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $29.16. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $24.49. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 16, 2022, and so far it has risen 28%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 125 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 50 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 119 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 115 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for ProShares UltraPro QQQ. ProShares UltraPro QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $27.34, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.99 between high and low, or 7.64%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.81%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, ProShares UltraPro QQQ meets first resistance at $28.53. If you do not hold ProShares UltraPro QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, ProShares UltraPro QQQ finds first level of support at $27.34, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $26.95, minus 3.68%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 5 days ago. Is ProShares UltraPro QQQ stock a buy? ProShares UltraPro QQQ holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 27th, we expect ProShares UltraPro QQQ to open down -62 and start trading at $27.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.